There's just general kind of sickness right now. The stomach bug is sometimes something all of its own that might be, you know, a viral or just a regular stomach bug that people have picked up. Sometimes it's related to other things going on. A lot of times if you have an upper respiratory infection or something like that going on, the drainage and everything will cause your stomach to be upset. Sometimes whatever virus is causing the upper respiratory infection will also cause your stomach to be upset, and we have seen that kind of working together, and people are having both kinds of symptoms at the same time. Anytime we have a large group of people living together, those germs are going to be easily transmitted. You know, the biggest thing with something like this is prevention, and we will tell you that when you're here. We'll tell you that when we come into the classrooms. The most important thing that you can do, and I know we teach this from little on up, but it's so important, is your hand washing, hand sanitizer, you know, covering your mouth when you're sneezing or coughing, not using anyone else's cups or their water bottles or anything like that. If you do get sick and then you start feeling better, changing your toothbrush. Those germs will live on your toothbrush. Cleaning your bathroom, the counters, the toilet, everything in that area. Washing your sheets. When you've been sick and sweating, all of that will live there. And once you start feeling better, you definitely need to clean the space that you're living in, or your roommates, and make sure that that is gone. You know, the longer you go without treatment, the longer it's going to take for you to recover. If you start feeling sick, you know, sometimes it is just a little head cold or whatever, and can easily be taken care of with some Sudafed or some Mucinex, anything like that. If you're started running fevers, you know, that's your body's way of telling you that something's going on, and that's when we would really encourage you to come in and see us so that we can see if something else is causing the fevers, and it may just be a virus. We have lots of tests we can run to see if there's something specific, but if it is something viral, it just needs to run its course. But we can help give you, you know, supportive medications to help get you through that, whether that's for the fever, for the congestion, things like that. But letting it go too long can have an adverse effect on your body and your immune system, and it just takes longer for you to recover if you don't get in here and get treatment quickly. We are in the basement of the Union. We are open from 8 to 4:30 every day. We have 2 full-time nurse practitioners, and Dr. Richards is here from 10 to 1 every day. We also have 2 full-time nurses and 4 student workers, and we stay very busy. You know, we see anything from physicals to people who are acutely ill, well visits, we do vaccinations, we rent crutches, we've got ice packs. Really anything you would see your regular physician for, you can come see us for. If it's something that requires a higher level of care or a referral, we will definitely refer you out. We also have lots of over-the-counter medications here. If you're needing that Sudafed or Mucinex, or, you know, even Tylenol, Claritin, anything like that, we try to stay in stock with all of that stuff. So if you're not feeling well, you don't have to run out to Walmart or Walgreens or wherever and get that. You can just come down here and get that from us. And we do try to keep our prices lower so that you know, it's most cost effective for the students.